Hello, welcome to the unboxing video of your S2 Series 4.5 by 14 by 50 millimeter rifle scope made by Sightron, manufacturer number 10109. The scope has a 4.5 by 14 magnification. It has an objective diameter of 50 millimeters. The eye relief is 3.1 to 4.1 inches. It features a duplex reticle with a 1/4 inch click value. The length of the scope is 13.90 inches. It weighs 15.40 ounces. It has a 1 inch diameter tube. Your knobs are a hunting style type knob. The wind engine elevation travel is 50. Your minutes per revolution is 15. It does include your lens covers. You have a minimum focused fixed parallax at 100 yards. It is waterproof, shockproof, and fogproof. Your windage and elevation knobs are finger adjustable. And it has fully multi-coated lenses. And we'll take it out. It does come with a lens cleaning cloth and your instruction manual. As you see, it comes with a flip-up style lens covers. It is a matte black finish. And then again, it is 13.90 inches long and weighs 15.40 ounces. And your reticle is the Duplex reticle. And again, this has been the unboxing video for the S2 Series 4.5 by 14 by 50 millimeter rifle scope made by Sightron, manufacturer number 10109.